Can we remove songs from Instagram posts? Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, we'll find out if we can remove songs from Instagram posts. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first step is open up your Insta. Let's head over to a post with music. After you're there, you will see that there is music here, as you can see. Now what you can do from here is tap on the three dots on the top right. Now from here, if we go to edit, we should be able to remove the song, but let's find that out. So there, let's head over to edit, and on edit you will see that you can tag people, you can edit all text, and you can add collaborators, add paid partnerships, location, and AI labels, but there is no option to remove songs on Insta post. So let's tap on done. So the only way to actually remove the song is by deleting the post entirely and reposting it without the song. And I hope this video helped you guys and answered your question that you cannot remove songs from Instagram posts. Thanks for watching. That's all for today's video. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.